The Apex Institute of Technology organized an awareness talk on the foreign exchange services. The talk saw Mr. Neeraj Midha, Senior Manager, Trade and Forex, Axis Bank, who took the podium to share his views on the foreign exchange services. Mr. Neeraj talked about the importance of foreign exchange services and various institutions which are playing a vital role in foreign exchange services like the FEDAI, the ICC, and ECGC, and many more. He also talked about laws and rules to foreign exchange, its management and role of Reserve Bank of India in it. Through his fruitful presentation, he addressed the students and gave a clear picture for better understanding of the subject. Taking this event as an opportunity, the institute also honored 6 students from Chandigarh University who got shortlisted for final round of the competition of National Case Development, which was organized by University Management Studies, Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University at New Delhi.
It was good. There were a lot of students from various other universities. They were presenting their own cases and we were one of them. So it was really good. The exposure was very good.
Our experience was extremely good. We enriched our knowledge regarding the cases, how to develop the cases, and plus it was at the national level, so it got us a very good exposure there. There were many cases regarding Tata CSR and also the Jammu and Kashmir Bank, how they helped the people during the flood, and it was a very good exposure out there.
We had a really good experience over there. For this, I would like to thank Chandigarh University for giving us a chance to showcase our skills and talents at a larger platform. And ours was a case that was about the spiritual marketing techniques of Baba Ramdev and Patanjali. So overall, it was a really nice experience. It was a learning experience.
And how was your experience?
Actually, it helps to boom the confidence level in me. It actually grooms in me, and I will encourage other students to participate and groom some more and more, as this is the opportunity CE is providing, and you have to grab this opportunity with both the hands. This opportunity doesn't come often, so you have to grab it.
Actually, it was a very quite well experience. Means it was I can say a marvelous experience where we can see different kind of people. Means people from different states are coming to perform their case studies, and they are then performing. They are representing different case studies like on the Oppo case.
We felt highly motivated. It was a chance for us to present our university on such a large scale, and our case was on education versus Jihadi John.
Skills are more important than holding a degree were the words stressed upon by Ms. Shelja, who visited Chandigarh University to deliver a lecture on digital marketing. She happens to have more than 5 years of experience in social marketing, content marketing, and copy editing. She is the lead instructor for content marketing and online advertising with E-Academy. The talk was focused on the skill development in the digital world. She brought forth the importance of social media advertising. She told the students about the productive benefits of using digital platform for marketing. Ms. Shelja shared with the students that the young generation spends ample time on Facebook, Google, and other networking sites. They must turn it into a tool for marketing purpose, stating the fact that North America happens to be a business hub, that too online, is because it is at first in terms of number of Facebook users. The 3-day workshop on SQL and PLSQL by the University Institute of Computing will give the students a platform to learn and explore.
University School of Business organized a guest lecture on the topic of leadership and motivation, where Mr. Vivek Atre, IS officer, delivered the lecture. Director Dr. Alok Jain welcomed the speaker and the participants and requested each and everyone to make the best use of the session, stating an important day for all, as he was really happy seeing the large number of participation. Mr. Vivek Atre said that today we talk about life itself, being an all-rounder in all spheres and a government employee. He stressed on the note that in life we should remain positive. Taking the example of his own life, he made the students understand that it is very important to face the challenges with firm dedication and never to give up. Also telling the stories of prominent personalities like Sachin Tendulkar, Usain Bolt, he focused on the fact that They all made their life coming out of the difficult times and learning lessons and then moving further. The students were really honored to have such a prominent person as a key speaker, as he happens to be a columnist and author of 2 novels. The students thoroughly enjoyed the session and were really motivated.
It was indeed a dark night for the celebration going on at the Puthingal Temple complex in Peravur village of Kollam district in Kerala, when a massive fire broke out during a firework display on Sunday during their feast celebration. This tragedy raises a big question, as almost 100 people lost their life and many were seriously injured. Should fireworks be used as a mode to celebrate this massive tragedy teach us any lesson? Let us know from the staff and students of Chandigarh University what they think on this note.
Harmful to the peoples and not good for the peoples. Temple is a place for worship, so we should not use the crackers over there. So I must say that crackers should be banned. According to us, crackers should be used nowhere, neither at the temple places nor nowhere they should be used. People should understand that they shouldn't only be used for fun. They should also take into mind that the harmful issues it's causing, like the Kerala temple which got burned recently.
ऐसे क्रैकर्स आप यूज़ करते हो वहाँ वर्कशिप वाली जगह पे या चर्च में या कहीं भी टेंपल में, तो ये हार्मफुल है काफ़ी लोगों के लिए, इससे पोल्यूशन भी काफ़ी होता है.
I think there should no crackers on the religious places. That is made by only for the sake of worships and all. There is no crackers, I think.
Temple is not a place to fire a cracker. You should have specific areas to fire a cracker. Look, you are in temple for worship. Have worship and then go to your home.
These crackers are totally harmful to our society, as well as like it's increasing the pollution also. Like we have festival Diwali.
क्रैकर वगैरह यूज़ करते हैं, किसी श्रद्धालु वगैरह आते हैं, किसी को कुछ हो जाए, इस रिलीजियस प्लेसेस नहीं होना चाहिए था.
आई थिंक केरला ट्रेजिडी बहुत ही दुखद घटना है. मेरे ख्याल ਨਾਲ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਪਟਾਕਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਘੱਟ ਹੀ ਇਸਤੇਮਾਲ करना चाहिए.
आई थिंक इट शुड बी बैन बिकॉज ऐसे रिलीजियस फेस्टिवल्स में बहुत सारे केसेस हो चुके हैं, तो किड्स के लिए वगैरह सेफ, किड्स वगैरह के लिए सेफ नहीं है, तो आई थिंक इट शुड बी बैन इन इंडिया.
I will try to say that the cracker should be banned in religious place, as it also have harmed a lot of lives, and it should be banned because it harms our environment. So it should be banned, mostly in religious places.